Seliphindela buya kanjalo ke ibhola lethu, ibhola lomzansi namaphethelo. Shoota le video lena, it's Wednesday night. Actually Wednesday morning kuzodlala Orlando Pirates ne Sundowns later on today. So we just gonna cover my game weekend and get straight to my predictions wa vandag. Ngiphethe uNtshebe out yami, umnandi mfowethu.
Shafile mfowethu.
Hi, easy.
Shafile mfowethu. Yilo ke ibhakani yakini le.
But we are cruising nicely.
No, mngani wami, vele it's about time. We've been pushing for 2 seasons now.
Yeah.
And then it's not a surprise, though it seems like it's a surprise to others, but then to me it's not a surprise. You know, we've been doing well for the past 2 seasons under Ujose. So it shows ukuthi vele we've been you know, keen ukuthi vele sifike la sifike khona namhlanje. So
and ungasho ukuthi abanye bathi bangasho ukuthi we've been trying to build the squad for the past 2 seasons nani, but contrary to Nina, it's new coach, it's new players, and yonke into vele yajela nje kamnandi.
Can I tell you something? Hence I've been saying to others ukuthi, you know, I mean, I'm very grateful with we're very privileged to have a coach such as Ujose Reviro, who paved the way, you know, for Pirates. Wahlanganisa ngaleyo ndlela hlanganise ngayo, and then walanda amanye ama player ukuthi we didn't know that existed, you know, like your more especially ku DDC ulethe intwana encane waba blender in, and then wathola lawo ma player watholile and then wenza whatever leyenzile. Okay, fine, even though yena vele uyewakha watho indaba yama injuries in most cases, uma ungathi uyathula uyabuka, like most of his key players got injuries and stuff like that. But then anyway, shout out to Ujose for building the team esibona ye Pirates namhlanje.
Ana?
Yeah.
It's all roses lapha eOrlando, but we can't say the same ngomakhelwane la eNaturena. They had a great run ku CAF. When it mattered the most. That's when ba loser khona, and they only needed a draw kuleyo game leyo. Bokhala kakhulu ngedefense yabo ukuthi labantu laba abazidlisile, they only needed a draw, but idefense yabo bongekho sure ngabo. We looking at ilineup yakhona, ngibona baphethe uMayo Msimango ukwinika no Riding noMonyana ngala. What did you think of ilineup yabo nje going riding to that game?
All right, if ever ungathi uyacheka kule lineup Kaizer Chiefs ne, we have the likes of Ukwinika, we have the likes of Umunyani, who are regular players, you know, baba totally game time. Msimango, he just got back. I think it was his third or second game after you know.
Yeah, it should be.
And then I feel like abo coach babonile amaphutha wakhe, but then I also asked around about uMakafi, no ubani lo munye lo Miguel, but then they said Miguel ngathi uni injury nyana. I don't know how serious it is. And then Umakafi, I think he's suspended. Yeah, I think but he suspended. Yellow cards. So you have the likes of Dylan Solomons, when you choose to start a game with Umako, Young Bam, of which it doesn't make sense to me. It doesn't make sense at all. And then in the middle of the park, Nakona, okay, fine. You have Umatlu, who's had a very interesting game. And then you have the likes of Undlovu, who was solid as a rock. You have Umabue, who was doing a very wonderful job in terms of being in number 10 yabo. Umodi was doing all those runs, but then Umodi naye, I feel like Amaranso, he needs to work on them in terms of, you know, decision making, you know, last touch. Don't just run with the ball in the boxing, but then mafika boxing, you just happen to lose it. So like umuntu ngibone ukuthi he was struggling kule game was Ulilepo. Ulilepo had moments whereby, okay, fine, yes, he scored that header. It's a beautiful header. But then Ulilepo was out of the game. Ulilepo was not there. He was nowhere to be seen. There were a couple of moments whereby, okay, you will see him taking shots. I think it's 2 shots that he took, of which they were like off target. And then kube nale goal lakhe. But the impact yakhe kule game bengekho.
Bengek. It was only just free kicks.
Yeah. He had moments whereby he was like, okay, I'm still in the crowd. Okay, hey, ngisasekhona, he came in. But we needed someone who was gonna like control the game, attack the game. I say,
yeah.
Because here's the thing about Alama team was in North Africa, more especially Egypt.
Yeah.
Don't let them hold the ball.
Yeah.
Do not do that. Don't do that. You let them hold the ball.
Because Undlovu had to take one for the team.
Because he saw good it's a counter attack.
Yeah.
It was going to be a counter attack. And
Sure.
it was going to be a goal.
Yeah.
And then you look at how this.
Yeah.
It's a mistake. Defenders. Chiefs idlala ngabantu abawu-4 emuva.
Yeah.
But then every time when they lose the ball, you only find two defenders at the back.
Sure.
And then kuna line out two. There's a first line of defense, and then there's also second line of defense. Of which second line of defense is only 2 people. But then on the front line of defense is how many people? 4, 5. But then you have 2 players as a Zamalek, as a Presayo. They are able to do what? To crack the first line or second line. So I didn't quite understand what was the plan in terms of defending. What was the plan? Bona they showed a character when they went like when they were like I mean when they were attacking. But then in terms of defending, because their midfield was solid. My problem was with the defense. What was the strategy? Like, okay, fine, this is how we're going to play this out. This is how we're going to stop them from penetrating us. But then, I don't understand. You have numbers of players of Chiefs in the box.
Yeah.
But then still, ba penetrate abantu about 3 about 2. Abe Zamalek. You wonder what yenzwa yini leyo nto leyo. You find Marco lost.
Because that's what we saw in that second goal. Off position. Mangazi bekayile. Kuthatha isikhathi ukubuya.
But then ukubuya
lezi, sure, yeah.
And lo muntu he's where? He's supposed to be where?
Defensive. Yeah, sure. Yeah.
But then he's lost. He's in the middle of the park. But then ibhola lona seleli kuphi? In the box.
Selenetini
Klar.
Because by the time I
get
he's
still recovering.
Yeah.
So I understand. He check igol lokuqala.
Yeah.
Buka igol lokuqala. Umunyani, I don't know where his eyes were. Ungeke lo muntu wenze i-run from the center up until ayongena adlula umunyani ahead ibhola ingena eboxini. Umunyani ukuthi where his eyes were, you will never understand.
So in a nutshell, would you say this team was not that difficult? Had the Chiefs in performed better on the day, bebangayithola ne-thrower.
Yabona performance Chiefs against Al Mazari. What is superb. What is superb performance compared to Lee. And this team was not even that strong over Chiefs. It's just that I feel like Kaizer Chiefs players, they were trying to like, okay, fine, sibashaya trap.
Yeah,
let them come to us, we'll take the ball, and then we counter-attack. But then that didn't work out so well for them. Because now they ended up not knowing what's their strategy anymore.
Yeah. No, so with the Chiefs out of CAF confederations, obviously they've got league to focus on, and of which abantu abayi-rate kangako ku-league, but it's not even a threat. They might even end up out of the top 8, because we saw Isikhukhune played, now they're number 3. Obviously they've got they're ahead ngama games, well Chiefs is asegu 15. So we've got a game vandag, what people might also call a league decider. Yes, Sundowns, the Pirates. But before we get to that one, let's get to a game over the weekend. Yes, you won that game 3-0.
Yes.
But on the first minutes, something. Let's get into that game.
He actually got unlucky. He actually got unlucky. And I can say, overall, like the boy had a great game.
Yeah.
The boy had a great game. Otadisa was like superb to watch on Saturday.
Yeah.
Unfortunately, okay, fine. Pirates is a better team. Pirates was a better team. Pirates for me, your Brawam is way overboard. Like Pirates, you don't know what's going to happen, but then consistency is there.
Yeah.
That's the thing about the Pirates. When you're going to play Pirates, you know what you're going to play Pirates iranayo. Pirates funukore Pirates korayo. So it's always a case when you play such a team, like you don't have it easy. You don't have it easy. And knowing vele ukuthi sike sadlala na ilona imarumo basibonisa isibhoko. So I knew it wasn't going to be a very easy game for us, but then we were able, to use those chances that we got and then see win the game.
Because in formation was 4-3-3. Would you say it's an attacking formation or it's just a neutral formation to maintain a game?
Come I tell you something. This is it is an attacking formation. Why am I saying so? A move. Something that I want to show you. We have Van Rooyen, we have Undaba, we have Usibisi, we have Usiema. Usiema and Usibisi. Those are our last men. And then remember I once said to you, our last men gahle gahle. Pirates mayidlala uthiyam. Pirates igcina senana abantu abawu3 emove.
Sure.
Ngithola. We'll be left with 3 defenders. But then we know that Chain can play ball. Chain is our last man. He's our forward defender. So that's why you saw good like amakona uthi angenile. Van Rooyen is there. Contribution yakhe ikhona. So it shows you ukuthi Van Rooyen, he's not just a defender. He's always attacking. Undaba, he's doing the same. If Undaba uya overlap,
sure.
Van Rooyen melenze ehlehlele move. Uyangithola? Ayenzani ayosiza uSibisi nobani noSiema so that they can be 3 of them 4 ngobani nguChain. Uyangithola? And then you have umuntu ubuthi omdala uMakhehleni. Kehleleza mntana.
Isiqila sikabahlali.
Mamela. So you look at uMakhehleni Makaula and then you think of uMakhehleni Makaula as a central midfielder of which he's a what? He's a defending. uMakhehleni Makaula he's makuyiwa phambili uya phambili. Umakhehleni Makaula he's very smart on the ball. Umakhehleni Makaula he knows how to pick the player. Umakhehleni Makaula is very smart in terms of marking. Uyangithola? Mawungathi check ama duels wakhe amaningi uwawinile. Out of 100% I would say he won like 80% of his duels.
And this is a player who didn't even start the season. This is Kanabuya Maj after AFCON and he's doing very well.
You hear me?
Sure.
Because you know what? I feel like we tend to forget to Umakhehleni Makaula is the midfielder of the season. Yes, he went to the injury, but then we forgot to go to he is the what? Midfielder of the season. He didn't become a midfielder of the season by mistake. I'm told. So he's coming back under a new coach. And then what I will do the very same thing under my previous coach. I'm told. So it shows the quality of a player. It's not just, like, okay, fine, he's a player. No. It shows the quality, it shows the maturity, it shows, the hunger, it shows, this is class. Class is permanent. I'm told. Yes. So that's Makhehleni Makaula for you. Makhehleni, uyakwazi ukuvimba imuva. Umakhehleni uyakwazi ukuvala in the middle of the park. Umakhehleni uyakwazi ukuattack. Umakhehleni can do a whole lot of things grounding.
I'm looking at the impact really early minutes, 3 minutes, 4 minutes. Twana bamgayi pass uApolice ulithinta kamnandi ushaya pass. Ned, let's talk about his contribution.
A lot of teams are still going to struggle because when you have players such as Urele Mofokeng in the ground, like in the field of play, I mean, like when you have such players, don't go to sleep. Don't go to sleep. Young told. So like when you look at Urele, njengoba igame ibiqala, Urele was playing on his natural position as Mazingai. Of which is a what? It's a win. Young told. So umqalise kanjalo because he had uTito as number 10 and then uMakhehleni Makaula and then we had also uLona uNemtejela. So you have those kind of players controlling the middle of the park and then you have the likes of Urele on the side. Do not sleep on him. He's not someone that can be left alone.
Because the Paramesi is very ill in the game.
He's a menace. You leave him alone just like by a blink of an eye, you are done. He's done. He's done for it. You are done for it as well. So like you look at that we know ukuthi ama-touches wakhe, he's very good when it comes to first touches. It doesn't matter whether the ball comes from the air or wherever. He's very good in terms of that. So you look at how his first touch, the control of the ball, and then he picked Umbuthuma, and then he just did what? Pass Umbuthuma. Umbuthuma naye, he didn't do into his passing net. So like that's really for you.
Yeah.
You don't sleep when that guy is in the field of play.
I think you would say the same with Tito now.
Yo. No, like I will tell you something. My guy, I don't know what about Nuguye. I don't know. I seriously don't know what they said to him. But you know, this Tito that we saw from, I think it's been 3 games. No,
yeah.
Utito akase Utito lo kibeli ball.
Yeah.
No kibeli. Utito no udlala ball. I'm a 1-2, 1-2, 1-2, 1-2. You look at his goal.
Yeah.
He's very good scoring. So those kind of
goals. So
like you look at how this ball came by. Van Rooyen won the ball. He passed it to Apolis, and then Apolis went Zani, Bam Tripper, but then the ball was lost. But then Yahlangana Nabani. No Tito. Utito couldn't think twice. Utito samazi ukuthi umuntu ama-curls. Then he was trying to curl that ball. Unfortunately enough, even though it was not strong, he just got lucky because it was a deflection. Like when you look at it, Arubi already saw what Utito Begafun was.
Sure.
It's just that Arubi was unfortunate.
Sure.
There was a deflection, I'm told. But then Utito, like he's having, you know, a game of his life. Like,
because we saw that 1-2 he played, you know, that in.
Wow.
Umbuthuma
uyambona uyezutito. Mamela uTito qeda ukubulala iplayer lokuqala. Okay, fine. One would say, why didn't he take a shot after qeda ukubulala iplayer lesi 2? Of which vele nalapho uright. Ungasho kanjalo ukuthi why engakhabanga immediately mayiqeda ukuqeda iplayer lesi ngapi? It is 2. But then I feel like amehlo wakhe.
There we go.
You look at it. Young That's whereby the body language. They speak a lot. So I feel like he lost the control of he posed Nebola because amehlo wakhe already aguphi asebholeni. So he tried pick up a kind of like wathola the third man. There's a third man. But manje Umbuthuma knowing seeing uTito ukuthi Tito is running towards him. He was supposed to like at least mover or abuyele his hands so that he can give his swing. But then instead of doing so, he went the very same direction with Tito. Tito wanted to take the shot, but then now Umbuthuma ufake. So you see, like uqina nawo sotonzenya elakho. And then at the end of the day, uTito wawa balphasela kuye futhi, but then unfortunately he was already blocked. Umbuthuma.
Mfana, let's talk about riding game yafanda. Abanye bathi it's a grudge game because it's njenye into. Kaizer Chiefs kuboleke ne stadium ithi hayi ngathi uzosicwalisa iOrlando izobancane for wena igame enkulu for wena. You call it a league decider, you call it a grudge game, whatever you call it, but nje people are fighting for 3 points. On the Sundowns Fanda, what do you think about your game jam?
Wow man, it's going to be a clash of the Titans. It's going to be a clash of the Titans. This is going to be one of the most interesting game of the league. Knowing ukuthi since Cardoso became a coach in Sundowns, and the Pirates they met 5 times. And then on those 5-time meetings, he Shagai 1, Sha 4-1.
Okay.
Some Shagai 2.
I
think it was on the cup and also on the league. Whereby some Shagai 2-1. And then all other 2, I think, I'm a meetings where to being happy. I be 5 or 6-5 or 6 somewhere there. And then
Lawa last 5.
Lawa manye wonke. Sidlala ama draw, ama 1-1. Home away, ama 1-1. So thina so far simshayeka ngapi? Ka 2. No shayeka 1 and then all are draws. So it's going to be a very interesting one. He knowing Cardoso, being Cardoso, he's going to want to do exactly what he did to Urulani in the MCLJ. But then why am I saying it's going to be a clash of the Titans? These are the two teams South Africa ukuthi maslangena uthi you don't really know even ukuthi ungathi mawupredict uthini.
Yeah.
Score sakho like you want to predict the score, like what are you gonna say, like it Chiefs, you Pirates is a win or Sundowns is a win. So it's always a very tense game when it comes to a game is Sundowns the Pirates. That's why ngithi El Clasico yayifanele neBarcelona neReal Madrid. There's gonna be sparks, not just sparks. You will see a men wanting to, like, tackle each other to a point whereby kuyoliwa.
I was watching a clip there, Orlando Pep ati bayenze le game yaba neutral. Had they taken this game to Orlando, that is when Orlando is more powerful. Orlando Pirates, that is where inama fans, that is where he aggressive. But now mabayise riding in FNB, then Sundowns might show you flames there.
Can I tell you something? Orlando Pirates in an impact everywhere they are gone. With the consistency that they have right now, like with the play, your speed behind the ball and everything. Orlando Pirates, brawami, ayinandaba ukuthi idlale laphi right now. As long as there are fans of Orlando Pirates in that arena or in that stadium, bear in mind, Orlando Pirates uzwenza umsebenzi. So we've been there before, and then I've had such before. We've played. It's not a first game. Sidlala
the second.
Sidlale nabo urile wabasha 5 minutes. 5 minutes. And that was it last season.
I remember.
That was our last game here. League yethu nabo yabona. So mina ayikho into engithusa in stadium. As long as nje ama-fan we-Pirates ekhona lapho, bear in mind, Pirates will do what they have to do. This has nothing to do with the impact of ukuthi idlale laphi. The impact isuka ukuthi thina ama-fan ukuthi sisi stadium sikhona, uyayibona, to support our boys. So support means a lot, uyangithola. So siya FNB sasekas seSoweto, uyangithola. It's not like we are out of Soweto or sise Mabhida or kuphi.
Umuntu ongakwazi ukufika Orlando uyakwazi ukufika eFNB.
Uyayibona leyo nto leyo. Uyayibona, it's the same thing. Uyangithola, it's the same distance. So for EPSL for taking this game there, I feel like it was a good move because we have people. There's going to be a lot of people who's going to want to watch the game, and then we know with the arena it takes only 40,000 people. So it's not gonna quite accommodate everyone. So that's why we took it there. So it's gonna be a very
I know
tough one.
Wonkama team play to win, but would you say ukuthi even if I settle for a draw, at least ngisase riding?
Hence I said we can't lose the game. We can't. This is a game whereby Pirates cannot lose. We are sitting 6 points ahead of Sundowns comfortably. We are sitting 8 points clear from Kaizer Chiefs comfortably. So we cannot afford to lose the game right now. We'd rather play a draw with Sundowns, knowing exactly what we will bury these other games inside. Yes, this is our very tough fixture. This is our very tough one. I heard people say Chiefs is a tough one. No, it's not. The tough fixture you Pirates is Sundowns. Bear in mind. Bear in mind.
We also saw Dr. Khumalo rectifying a statement sakho ukuthi anema understandanga beyangasho ukuthi Sundowns inenkinga kwashaqema, but he was only responding to a question that was posed to him engoba senim attack nani.
Njengoba ngisho kuwe mngani wami ngithi yabona sometimes the tone that you use, the tone, the manner on how you say something, it's what affected his statement. Even if he was saying it out of like not something but then how he said it, Yangtola, the seriousness on his face, like it was like utathela amanye ama-team pants, Yangtola. So according to his opinion, it was like, no, ayikho i-team ezoyimela i-Sundowns
mangabe safe for me,
of which mina uyangimangaza because Pirates has been like taking on his Sundowns on form. So I didn't understand, I didn't quite get what he was trying to say, but then it was his opinion, he's entitled to it. So mina bengenze ngimthuke the way abanye abantu bemthuke ngakhona. I would say itone yakhe for me now was a bit out of line. How he said it. Sometimes you need to like listen to your tone or listen to yourself now. Like how do you say something? Uyangithola, there's like ukhulume nje and then but ukhulume esizwe now but itone yakhe says something else. Uyangithola. Okay, fine, he's saying this but then his tone is telling us something else.
So facing iSundowns nje from your previous lineup, what would you change or mhlambe uzovela uqale ngayo last time?
No, there's gonna be I think there's gonna be changes. More especially like if you look at a mover. Undaba, he's gonna be out. I feel because Ohoto will start this game. This is a very important game. It needs experience players. And then Ufan Ryan will be there, Siema will be there, CBC will be there. But then I think it changes to Jens and Elona in terms of back for it is going to be Undaba Pel. And then when you go to the middle of the park, I feel like into as Jens and Namhlanje nakhona kuzoba nama changes. Umakhaula will be there, but Unamtejela I think like will be out for who? For Talente Mbata.
Okay.
I feel like Unamtejela will be out for Utalente, and then Umaswangani might be on the field today. He might start the game. I feel so, Nami. I feel like Ulona angaqali game Umaswangani, and then Kugu front. I feel like nakhona uzoyenza changes. Umbuthuma won't be there, but then Umaswangani won't be in the field. Urile will play that number 10 role. And then we're gonna have a change. Yagabani so faga I think like uzoqalisa uMuremi no Apolis in terms of attacking, and then Umbuthuma I feel like naye angahlala uzohlala ebenjini namhlanje angafuna uqalisa uEvidence Makgopa uyangithola. So ama changes engiwabona mina wanamhlanje ithengibona Namtejela, Maswangani, Ndaba and Umbuthuma, 4 changes. I feel like 4 changes namhlanje because njengoba ngisho ngithi uzofuna uqala ngoMuremi afika aqale ngoMakgopa ilona afika afake no Mbatha in the middle of the park.
Okay, score predictions mfana Sival.
All right. Mina into engizokutshela yona awuthiyami Pirates will advance. 2-1.
2-1.
Yes.
Ushaya ngobani nobani?
That's a quite difficult one. But I feel like Hobson
will give you something.
Will win the game for us today. That's one thing I will tell you.
And we can also roll off Umjitu 38.
Umjitu 38, you cannot rule him out because Umjitu 38 I think will be the mastermind behind those goals. I think
another man of the match performance for him.
But then we'll see who's Scoopy today because we are not just playing Abolam 2 we're playing real team. So now they have quality players, who would want to be seen and stuff like that. It's going to be quite an interesting fixture. A game tonight. So I'm looking forward to it. But then my score stands 2-1 to Orlando Pirates. And the mastermind, Nyamazi, Umjita of 38.
President.
Behind those 2 goals. Nyamazi, president.